What's up guys, Dumble here, back with another video, and today ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be showing off my Leatherman Wingman pocket knife. So let's get straight into it ladies and gentlemen. Here we have the Leatherman Wingman. It's your perfect outdoors tool for projects around the house or on the job. Now let's see what we've got over here. First up, we've got a pair of scissors. Just like that, perfect for cutting something. Push that one down. Just make sure when you do it you hear a click, that means it's ready. Now as you can see, you can't push it back. So what you've got here is a little lock. You want to push that one down. Push that one down, right, and then you can pull it back as a safety lock. On the other side we've got a knife, pretty sharp, and we've got the same safety lock. On the other side we don't have much, but we've got a clip to hang on to anything. Well, almost anything. Here we have got a pair of newly designed spring action jaws, as you can see here. We have got a pair of pointy nose pliers. We have got, what would you call these, wire cutters, wire stripper things. Yeah, very strong. We push one of these down, as you can see it's spring loaded. Now if we move on to down here, we'll come down here. We have got over here we have got the screwdrivers. We've got a nice Phillips head screwdriver, and I guess you could call this one a flathead screwdriver too. Over this side you've got another three. You've got a can opener, a file with it, which on the other side has a bit of a measuring tape, and here we've got a can opener for cracking open that beer after a long days of hard work. That is the multi-tool Leatherman Wingman.